zone once again because I've been asked to do this. This is the evening news for journalists and reporters who are not able to speak the German language. So, a few days ago there was a journalist who asked me if he should send me the sentences he wants to quote, and he wants to quote from the interview, and I told him that he may write in his article whatever he wants to write, but he should be aware of the fact that everything he writes is part of the history, because journalists and reporters have a big influence on the public, and you know this very well. So perhaps you should think about that one time your child's or your grandchild's will read an article which you wrote. And maybe they will ask you why you have done this, why you have followed this lie about this COVID-19 disease and the lockdown and the mask thing and all these sort of stuff, which is the reason for the loss of freedom and the loss of your rights. So always think about everything that you write down matters. If you are an investigative journalist, then you pretty sure know what I'm talking about, because there is no deadly disease right now. Maybe it's the normal flu where we have a magnifier glass on it, but there is no serious evidence. There is no serious evidence for wearing a mask, and there is no serious evidence for a second wave. Especially in German there is no second wave. The only thing we have done it, we are started raising the tests a lot, and so it's a labor pandemic what we see right here, and I'm pretty sure you know all about this. I won't tell anything. But imagine every night when I look in the eyes of my childs, I can be proud of what I'm doing, because I'm telling the truth to people no matter what happens to me, and I try to help my and the next generation to live in freedom and to live with human rights. And I want to prevent them. I want to prevent them for getting a vaccination no one needs. So think about it. Every word that you write down or you speak in the mic matters to the people who hear it. They believe in you, they believe in your words, they believe that you are telling the truth. And if you know that you're not telling the truth, then you should ask yourself if this should be something your child's or your grandchild's will be proud of what you do right now. Thank you for listening.